What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. In today's video, first thing we're going to do today is we're going to catch up on all the sticker orders. All right, so instead of wasting time and talking more, let's just get straight into it. All right, so now that Indy's back, the main head of administration and making sure things actually happen and work, we are getting ahead with doing all these sticker orders and getting back on track because we were falling behind a little bit because I can't do any of this by myself, and with Indy not here because she was on like a small little holiday, I was drowning real quick. So it's a good thing that she's here now because I can actually get back on track and we can get these stickers out to you guys ASAP. So we're in the middle of doing stickers and I can hear a fat V8 coming down the street. Looks like the old man got the Camaro running. God dang, it looks good. You're a bloody hoon.
No, it's a bit of a pig to drive.
Heard you coming from streets away.
It's because I'm mowing the on the throttle. Oh, the timing's out the bugger, it flat spots.
Looks good though.
Got issues, but it does.
Looks great. So I got the next set of bunch of orders. Gonna go take these to the post office and we're going to go drop them off in style. We're gonna take the Camaro. So Indy's probably going to stay here and keep punching out more because we've got more to do. But yeah, going to send these ones off now. So if you ordered a sticker, you should have them very soon. How good is that number plate? That's actually a standard issue plate. That's not a custom plate. Well, you were going to that one, so...
Yeah, I don't like it.
I know, I didn't think of that. Make right choices.
Want to watch these trees fall down? That's what, brake vacuum pressure?
Yeah. Is it bad for it to build up more than what it normally sit at, or is more better?
Anything less than 15, the car won't stop.
Oh. So you build it up just before you go driving?
I have an electric pump in the back.
Mint. Spinning the whole way? Jesus Christ!
Still think the station wagon will keep up?
I don't think so. Do you want to loop back and go that way?
You can do.
and that was from you just then. I didn't realize I was power skidding the whole way.
I don't think this thing's nasty.
This thing has balls. Yeah, I'm beyond impressed at how well it did it.
I always look at the back tyres and think, wow, all that and they still don't stop.
Tell me how big of a tyre it turns. Big Johnnies. And like, you don't get shit whipped, there's no violence, there's no nothing. It just turns them like nothing. Just decided to come out for a quick little trip out to Lake George. I think it's the first time it's been, well, not running, but first time it's been on the road in over a year at least. So I thought we'd just, and it's good weather, so we thought we'd come out and just give it a nice little drive, give it a quick little brap. Damn, it looks good. What a flex. Just got your DJI drone, top of your 69 Camaro. That's the kind of flex I want to do when I'm an old man. You're gonna put me out of a job. Because you got the guards under it, you don't worry about it coming near and cutting you. Alright, so we're back home now. Indy's still smashing out some stickers. Well, what are you watching?
I don't know.
Alright, so yeah, we're just smashing out some more stickers so we can get them all out to you guys ASAP. But yeah, that's probably going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in Monday's video. I know this one was a little bit short, but hey, it was a little bit cool. Alrighty guys, yeah, I'll catch you in Monday's video, 6 PM. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Ring that notification bell so you get a notification every time these videos go up. If you haven't got a sticker, make sure you get a sticker. Buy 10, buy 20, buy 30, buy 50. Alrighty guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
You bitching and bugging, there's nothing that we got in common. I've been out grinding and hustling, investing this paper, got tired of eating that ramen. All of my music be heat, I ain't missing a beat. I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who friendly, it turn into envy whenever they see that you shining. Okay.